Good morning, 419, and I know some of you, your kids aren't up yet, but you're up because you've got to make this whole engine roll. So good morning, glad you're back with us as it's back to school in more districts, as Ben and Julia mentioned. Here's a look at radar. We have had a couple of hit and miss showers in first in western Indiana, now in eastern Indiana, north of Richmond. But here's the line. We've been watching this move all morning long. I really think that the leading edge of this, as it moves from Chicago into Kankakee and then north of St. Louis, leading edge of that is going to break up. But storms will build around this front, so we're going to get wet later on today. 70 out there right now, and the dew point is 65, so you bet it's pretty humid outside. And this will be a day of change because we'll go from dry weather yesterday to some scattered morning thunderstorms. But I think really the evening rush hour storms are going to be the strongest because some of them will have some heavy rain. That'll move out by the mid to latter part of the evening. Right now, 69 in Monticello and Indiana Beach, Noblesville 68, 71 in both Hartford City and in Portland. And if your allergies are bothering you, mine are this morning. My head feels like it's the size of a basketball. That's because our grass pollen is sky high today. Spencer, you're at 68. Bloomington's at 68. Seymour's at 67 and Greenwood's at 71. These are dew point readings. Remember, anything above 60 is humid. Anything above 65 is really tropical. We used to call it oppressive. That ticked people off, so we call it tropical now. That makes it, we're churching it up really good for you. 70 will be our dew point by the noon hour, and that's when we're going to see a lot of these thunderstorms really crank up too. Speaking of the afternoon, the scattered thunderstorms will be with us really deep there in the afternoon. In fact, I just want to show you what that looks like. So this is 7 o'clock this morning. Not a whole lot going on. I do think that in between 7 and 11, we'll have a couple of showers or thunderstorms move through here. Not a lot, but it could approach the metro area. And you'll notice now, here we are at 2:30 this afternoon. Heat of the day, very humid. Ahead of the front, these thunderstorms pop up. Here's Muncie and Richmond. Again, 2:30, Lafayette, Crawfordsville. Now let's bring you to 4:30. Kiddos are coming home from school. Practices are taking place. And look at this. A line of rain and thunderstorms from Marion to Noblesville into Indianapolis, Greencastle, and Terre Haute. That, folks, is the evening rush hour. Now let's go to 5. This is 5:30. This is still hanging around, and there could be downpours of heavy rain, perhaps a half an inch, some of you maybe even an inch of rain. Here's 6:30, and still some lingering stuff around 8 or 9. Then that's it. So the forecast for today, scattered showers and thunderstorms. I'm going with 86 for a high. The average high is 84. 68 tonight, 85 tomorrow. More storm chances on Thursday. Friday, Saturday look pretty good, and Sunday too. In fact, Friday, Saturday, the pick days of the week. We'll have more on your state fair weather and the Colts forecast too in a few minutes.